Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Here, see, it is amazing miracle collection from Indian Ocean. Totally mind-blowing collection. You would have never seen such a collection before. It is baby Gouri Valampuri conch, or baby Dakshinamati conch, or baby right open conch from Indian Ocean. This conch is just 3 grams in weight. Just 3 grams in weight and 1 inches in length. Beautiful conch, baby Gouri Dakshinamati conch from Indian Ocean. Impossible collection. So you can see 5 lines in identification. Beautiful back. Clear 5 lines. Beautiful. It's a right open back. How to identify? This is a rarest formation of the Gouri conch. This type of conch is collected between the Kanyakumari to Sri Lankan area. It is having short tail, broad body and short head. I will comparison. So this is the biggest grown Gouri of same type from Indian Ocean, from Kanyakumari to Sri Lankan area. This is the biggest one. See, when I comparison, same piece, when you go bigger it will come like this. It is the baby one. This is nearly 800 gram, nearly 800 gram. This is just 3 grams. This is the left open, this is the right open. How beautiful it is. It is unimaginable collection, unimaginable. See the shape. Short tail, broad body and short head. Tail shape type. Short head, broad body and short head. So short tail, broad body and short head. Same formation. When it is baby, it is like when it go, it will come like this. So I think nobody would have seen the baby Dakshinamati conch before. It is just 3 grams in weight and 5 lines. Beautiful, amazing collection. How you can see such a collection before? You should be lucky to see this. You should be lucky to see such a wonderful form. Wonderful. Extremely beautiful, miracle, unimaginable collection. Baby Gouri Dakshinamati conch, baby Gouri Dakshinamati conch, or baby Gouri Valampuri Sangu, or baby Gouri right open conch. Unimaginable. This is a left open, right open. It's a baby. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. See how beautiful it is, baby Gouri Valampuri conch, or baby Dakshinamati conch, or baby right open conch. Baby Gouri right open conch. How beautiful it is. 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is as it is from the ocean. No any cleaning done on it. It is as it is from the ocean. No any cleaning done on it. See how beautiful all sides. Beautiful shape. Small tail, small head, long broad body. It is a Gouri baby Dakshinamati conch. It is a baby stage of Gouri Dakshinamati conch. Beautiful. See, it's a grown big Gouri conch. It's a baby Dakshinamati conch. When it grows up, it will come like this. The small tail, broad body and small head. It will come like this. Similar shape. See? It is really amazing. It is extremely unimaginable collection, and its weight is just 3 grams. Just 3 grams and 1 inch. Just 3 grams and 1 inch. Baby Gouri Valampuri conch. No one would have seen such a beautiful small baby Gouri conch. Beautiful, and it's 5 lines on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Unimaginable collection, unimaginable miracle collection. Beautiful collection. How beautiful it is. It is collected from Indian Ocean. Beautiful. It is as it is from ocean. Just a soap wash is done. No any cleaning done on it. And here you can see the Lord Shiva Tilak. 1, 2, 3 Tilak of Lord Shiva. Beautiful Tilak of Lord Shiva. Beautiful Tilak of Lord Shiva. Extremely amazing conch. Extremely amazing conch. Here we can see some Bhairava image. Beautiful baby Gouri Dakshinavati conch, a baby Gouri Valampuri conch, a baby right open conch. Beautiful with 5 lines. See here you can see clear image of Lord Bhairava. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.